Listen, nobody really cares about your degrees or any kind of certification that you have right now. What people want to see is a result that your skills can produce. In this digital age, if you don't have any digital skill that is going to help you provide the result the companies are looking for, you are going to really find yourself wanting. In 2026 and beyond, considering the evolution of technology, especially the introduction of AI, if you are someone that is still hunting for a job, trying to get a job, or even trying to start a business without a digital skill, you will definitely find yourself wanting. In today's video, I'm going to open up to you 5 different digital skills that you must consider acquiring if you want to stay relevant in 2026 and beyond. Now, the good part is you don't really have to start a business to be able to acquire these digital skills. These are skills you can acquire in less than 90 days. Plus, you can acquire these skills through free resources that are available right here on YouTube and all over the internet. Digital skill number 1 that I want us to focus on today has to do with video editing. Now, when you look on social media, every single day, new people are creating content every now and then. Every business that you know about right now creates content on social media. This means that in the years to come, in 2026 and 2027, and even 2028 and beyond, more and more video editors will be in demand. Now, with the influx of AI, that will even necessitate more video editors. That will even put more pressure on the demand for video editors because people are going to actually want to repurpose AI content for their social media handles. So if you're watching me right now, you do not have any skill at all, whether you are employed, self-employed, or even a student, one of the very critical skills you can acquire, which is recession-proof, is video editing. When you are a video editor, you know that you are in demand from individuals who are content creators to companies that want to hire a video editor to help them with shooting and editing their content. And this particular digital skill will be in demand for as far as the social media content creation exists. And you are rest assured that this skill can actually change your financial trajectory. Digital skill number 2 that is very important has to do with digital marketing. Now, sales, we all know, is the backbone of every business. So while you want to walk around with your CV, you want to walk around trying to find a job, make sure that you've learned digital marketing. It will take you just a few weeks to learn digital marketing. Now, the reason why you are important when you have the skill of digital marketing is because every company is looking for somebody that can help them make sales. Apart from the fact that you can work for yourself as a digital marketer, you can easily land your dream job if you have a skill in digital marketing. And digital marketers will be in demand in more and more years to come. In 2026, 2027, and the years to come, more and more digital marketers will be in demand. The reason being that more businesses are coming up every day. The digital ecosystem is increasing, it's expanding. A lot of people are joining social media platforms every single day. This means that if you're somebody that has an idea on how to use these platforms to generate sales for companies, you are definitely going to be sought after. So what you have to do, learn how to run ads that convert, also learn how to build funnels that can be able to retain some traffic, and how to turn those traffic into conversions, that is cash. All right. So your job is to make sure that you understand the craft of digital marketing, from social media, from search engine optimization, from the making of landing pages, from the creation of ad copies. A lot of things go into digital marketing. So if you have some 2 hours every day for the next 90 days, trust me, you can change your life by mastering the art of digital marketing. And you are going to be high in demand in both the side of businesses or even for you working as a freelancer. Digital skill number 3 that I want you to master has to do with AI and automation. Your job as an AI engineer is simply to help businesses avoid doing repetitive tasks every single day. You are going to help them to work smarter and then save a lot of time, because time automatically equals money. The reason why you're going to be relevant is that new businesses, new entrepreneurs, every now and then are looking for smarter ways to automate some of their repetitive tasks. If you learn the basics of prompt engineering, trust me, businesses are going to look for you because they want somebody that has knowledge in prompting these AI platforms like ChatGPT. And if you can do that, they know that you will be useful when it has to do with writing of ad copies, when it has to do with writing of content for their blogs, when it has to do with writing of scripts for their content creation, for all these social media platforms. So if you are someone that wants to learn a digital skill, one thing you can consider is AI and automation. Now, on the side of automation, you can help businesses automate at least their social media posting. There are so many AI tools that allow you to handle the scheduling and the posting of social media content without having to spend so many days, so many hours doing these things manually. So your job as an AI and automation person is to go into these businesses, help them minimize the amount of hours they will put into most of their tasks, especially tasks that they have to do repeatedly. Digital skill number 4 that you want to really master is content creation. Now, as we are moving into this digital era, as the digital space is expanding by day, new businesses are definitely going to need people that are going to help them create content. You can create content, monetize for yourself, and start this as a business. Same way, you can join a company as a content creator and help them to shoot, edit, and then post. All right. Content creation is a skill that you can learn in a space of 3 months if you are serious and you want to commit at least 2 hours every single day of your days to be able to what? Learn the skill. You're learning how to shoot this content, you're learning how to edit this content, and then you're learning how to post and also how to even understand the various analytics of the various platforms. All right. All these data that you collect from the social media platforms, if you're a content creator that can properly interpret them and help businesses make proper content decisions, you are definitely going to be sought after because content is what builds credibility and trust. So if you're someone that can do all of these things, it means that businesses are definitely going to come for you, for your knowledge in content creation, and then the results that your skill in content creation is going to bring to these businesses. The final skill that I want you to focus on has to do with virtual assistants. Now, if you want a skill that is recession proof, if you want a skill that AI will not take over right now, it means that you need to up your game, you need to acquire the skill in virtual assistants. Now, there are so many AI agents that are already performing the role of virtual assistants. So if you want to get a job as a virtual assistant, it means you need to understand how to make use of these AI agents, all right? Because businesses, instead of hiring so many virtual assistants, will want to hire a few that can work with the help of these automated systems. So your job as a virtual assistant spans from reading emails, handling customers, managing CRM, marketing, social media, and anything else that you can do to ease the workload of an entrepreneur or anybody that you may be working for as a virtual assistant. So your job is to acquire the skill set, get the detailed understanding of how businesses operate so that virtually, remotely from your home, you can work for these companies or these entrepreneurs and you can get paid reasonably, just as you would if you had gone for a regular 9 to 5. So these are 5 digital skills that are recession proof. These skills are going to help you survive even in the AI era where people are crying that AI is taking over their jobs. You are going to stay in the game, you're going to stay employed, you're going to stay in business if you have these skill sets. From 2026 and beyond, if you do not have a skill set at all and you're trying to find a job, you're trying to start a business, and you are going to have to use the internet, trust me, you will definitely find yourself struggling. And you may, through your regrets, return to this video and wish you had even learned those digital skills earlier. So starting from today, go on YouTube, go on any platform, any course platform you can get, and then start by acquiring any of these digital skills that I've mentioned in today's video. Let me know in the comment section which of these digital skills is your favorite and when you intend to acquire any of these skills, and I'll see you in the next one.